Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you another trending effect called Comic Me on TikTok. Apparently, this makes you look like an anime character like this. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this effect is similar to the cartoon 3D effect from Snapchat, where it actually makes you look like a Pixar character. So the male version of this effect makes you look like an anime character, while the female version makes you look like a Disney character. So let me show you how to use this effect. Open your TikTok app on your phone. Now tap on Discover and search for Comic Me. It should appear under Effects and look like this. Tap on it and see how others have used this effect. If you don't see this filter in your search results, then it means it's still not available for your country. Check back later as TikTok is slowly rolling it out to everyone. There is a trending music which you can use in your video. Just tap on one of the Comic Me video and the music name is Original Sound from Hazel 42016. Make sure to favorite this into your TikTok sound library. Once you're ready, tap on Try this effect. So this effect will replace your face with a comic character. If you tap on it, it'll change from a female to a male and vice versa. It is a cool effect as it masks your face really well. The eyes will blink when you blink and it'll also follow your facial expressions. Don't forget to add your trending music to your video and start creating your TikTok video. And there you go, that is how to use the Comic Me effect on TikTok. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.